Today we are going to demonstrate on how to light the Forge flat top gas griller with a pointer indication for the off position, the pilot burner and the main flame. To switch it on, you would depress slightly, turn it to the 2 o'clock position and depress in, which allows gas to flow to the pilot burner. At the same time, you would move your long fingered lighter in around to the pilot burner and ignite it while holding the knob so that the gas flows through. Hold it there for approximately 15 seconds so that the thermocouple can heat up. After 15 seconds, you can release it. The pilot burner will remain burning. You then turn the knob to the 12 o'clock position, which is onto the main flame. Then, slowly, one by one, you can lift the levers and the flame will ignite each of the individual burners. This is the floor standing gas fryer. This is a double cavity model, very similar to the single cavity 20-litre model. It has a control valve, thermostat and a pilot burner. To ignite this unit, you would take the control valve. In this position it's in the off. You would then depress slightly and turn it to the pilot position. You will depress it and ignite the pilot burner. Hold it in for approximately 15 seconds. When you let go, the pilot burner should remain burning. You then turn the control valve to the on position, which lines up with a little dot. In this position, you can then switch the thermostat on. Within 30 to 40 seconds, the main burners will ignite. Once the unit has reached temperature, the main burners will switch off and regulate temperature within 10 degrees of your set point. To switch off, you would switch off the main, which would then switch the main burners off, and then you would switch back to pilot and to the off position. When lighting the ANVIL Radiant Gas Griller, you will need to turn the first control knob to high, get your long fingered lighter ready, and always remember flame first. You will switch the lighter on, hold it near the burner and then press the flame failure device. Once the burner is burning, hold the flame failure device in for approximately 15 seconds. When you let go, the flame will maintain. Then you can control the flame. If you would like the flame to jump across, then you turn them on one at a time going across. This is the ANVIL 4-burner gas stove. If you find that once the burner has been lit, it is not maintaining the flame, there could be a small adjustment that needs to be made. As you can see, if I remove these, the 2 thermocouples that are positioned in the center of each burner, this is the correct position where it is close to the burner, so therefore it'll be close to the flame, it'll retain the heat and keep the gas flowing. This one, however, is out of range of the flame. Therefore, it will not heat correctly and it will not allow the gas to flow. This can be rectified fairly easily by removing the burner, adjusting the thermocouple slightly, and then replacing the burner into its correct position. Here you can see that the gap between the thermocouple and the burner has been greatly reduced so that it's guaranteed heat transfer. And then the guards can just be replaced for correct operation. This is the ANVIL tabletop single pan gas model. To ignite this one, you've got the off position, the pilot, and then main flame. To light it, you would turn the valve till you get to the pilot, depress it, put your long fingered lighter through to the pilot burner. Once the pilot burner is burning, keep it depressed for approximately 15 seconds. Once you let go, the flame will maintain and then you can put it onto main burner. This is regulated by temperature. As soon as the oil has heated up to the desired temp, the main burner will switch off and regulate by 10 degrees either setting. To switch off, bring it back down. The pilot will then be extinguished.